Greetings, this is Karni Zor, and this time from my home village, Malet Tzvia, in the beautiful Galilee, Israel. And today I want to talk to you about the astrological forecast, things that are happening out up there in the skies and all around here on planet Earth and absolutely affect our lives. And these two things are the opposition between planet Earth, the Sun, and Uranus. So on one side of planet Earth we have the Sun, and on the other side there is planet Uranus. It happens once a year, this opposition between the Sun and Uranus, and this is a very, very special time that really connects to the other thing that is happening now. If you can take a look around me and see the yellow colors all around, you will see that fall, autumn is on. And this is the second thing that we need to be mindful of during this week, that autumn is here, and autumn is the time of shedding. So let's see how autumn and shedding connect to the opposition between the Sun and the planet Uranus. So the mythological god Uranus was the first creature to ever exist, and he created all other creatures, all other beings. So Uranus, the planet, talks about creation, creativity, starting things from zero, creating new things, and this is absolutely wonderful. And once a year, when Uranus opposes the Sun, which is our consciousness, which is our awareness, it allows a lot of creativity. But now we need to be cautious of the other side of Uranus, and this is the destructive side, because according to the Greek mythology, just after Uranus created all creatures, he actually took a look at everything that he created and he wasn't satisfied with it, and he started to swallow and destroy his creation till he was stopped by his spouse Gaia, Mother Earth. And this is a very important thing for us to learn and to remember. We love changes and we love to create things, but if we go to extreme, if we exaggerate, if we only want to create new things, at one point it will cause a destruction, because creating new things also means destroying the old. So this week, with this opposition between the Sun and Uranus, we have the opportunity to create new things, but it also is a very special, and we need to be caution about this time that can be very destructive, and we can find ourselves destroying things that we have worked for a long time. And here is why the autumn connects to it all. So this is a time of creating a bit of new things, but mainly deciding in the autumn what we want to shed from our lives. If we are doing it in an aware way, if we are organically shedding the things that are not aligned to our purpose, true purpose, to our vocation, to what we want to see in the world, this can be a very special time of reducing things from our schedules, from our lives, so our energy goes exactly to what it needs to go. But if we are not aware of that, if we're not stopping to ask, okay, so how can I be more aligned? What can I shed from my life that does not serve me anymore? Uranus's power might cause us now to destroy things or to stop things that are actually not the things that we wanted to stop, or destroy things that we have worked very hard in order to accomplish. So to put it in a few sentences, the power of this week is the power of deciding what we want to shed in our lives, from our lives. And if we do it in an aware way, this can be an amazing time of reducing things that are not aligned to our true purpose. But if we do not take the time to stop and ask ourselves, what is it that we want to shed from our lives, then we might find out that we have destroyed things which have lots of importance for us. So this is a time to be very, very mindful of shedding but not destroying. You can read much more about it on my site, newastrologycom. You'll find there the specific territory of life where the Sun and Uranus are active in your chart according to your birth date. So take the time, go into the site, find your birth date, click on it, and find your weekly astrological forecast. And together with that, I want to invite you to the next spiritual journey, adventure that is going to take place in Costa Rica. February 1st, we're going to start a 15-day journey of shedding things and creating new things. The title is Free Yourself from Yourself, in the most dazzling spots in beautiful, beautiful Costa Rica, with people from all over the world that are already registering and joining the beautiful opportunity to have this once in a lifetime a transformative journey. And if you want to join it, then please know that by November 1st, after November 1st, the price is going to get higher. So this is actually the time to make the decision, register, and see yourself, envision yourself with us, with Gifnit Salvi and myself in beautiful, amazing Costa Rica just 3 months from now. So I hope that the forecast is useful, that you know how to use this autumn time wisely. Maybe you already feel from within that things need to change. You want to invest your energy wiser. So now you know why, what happens in the skies, and I hope that you take the time to make your processes and your meditations and decide what it is that you want to shed wisely from your life. Goodbye, until soon.